Today we're going to be doing, for reading language arts, we're going to be talking about prepositions. Have you guys ever heard of the word preposition?
Yes.
Alright, I'm going to read up here on the board. Can anybody tell me what a preposition is? Anybody know? Okay, well that's why we're doing it. A preposition is a word that shows a relationship between a noun or a pronoun and another word within the sentence. So basically what that means is if I wrote the word, if I wrote the sentence, the dog is under the bed. First off, who can tell me what the noun is in that sentence? Dog, right? This is the noun. And then what's the dog doing in the sentence?
He is under.
He's lying under the bed, right? In this sentence, the word under is a preposition. It's relating what the dog is doing underneath the couch. So it also tells what the location is. So if I were to write, the dog is in the bed. Again, we have the same noun, right? Dog. But this time, instead of the location, which is under the bed, what is it? Is that?
In.
It's in. Exactly. So the preposition in this sentence is the word in. You guys kind of get that a little bit?
Yes.
All right. Let's try one more. Now this sentence starts off with a pronoun. Does anyone know what pronouns are? Q?
She, he,
Yup. Good job. This is the pronoun. And in this sentence, our preposition is telling when something happens. So what do you think if something happens, if I'm asking what happens like in this sentence, what would the word be, the preposition in this sentence be? Amber? Always. Great. How about she never drinks coffee? Juliana?
never.
Yup. Never. Now there's a whole list of prepositions, and what I did for you guys is I made a handout for you. And what I just did with you guys up on the board is exactly what you're going to see at the top of this paper when you guys get it. It says the definition of what a preposition is so that you guys can refer to it. And then it has some examples, which I also underlined what we did together in class. And then down here is a list of the commonly used prepositions. Now there's a lot of other prepositions too. These are just some of the most commonly used ones. And with this list will help you do the second page. On the second page, it has more with discusses a little bit further with prepositions. For instance, a prepositional phrase. Have you guys heard of a prepositional phrase? Prepositional phrase starts with a preposition. So if I were to say, for instance, this sentence. According to her, the class is well behaved. So obviously we have another pronoun. And it starts with, instead of prepositional phrase, always starts with a preposition. Does anyone have any guesses of within this sentence what the preposition could be? Ashley? No, remember we said a preposition tells when something happens or a location of something? Nope. It has to be a phrase, so you're going to start with a word, and it has to be like 2 or 3 more words. It's a short little phrase. Juliana?
According.
Yup. According in this sentence is the preposition, and the entire phrase would be according to her. See how there's a comma right here? That sets off the phrase from the rest of the sentence. This prepositional phrase is being linked to the rest of this sentence. That's what the that's what a preposition does. So again, up here on the top of your worksheet, you'll see that this exact same example that I did, but up here on the board. And then under here, you're going to have five sentences. You're just going to try and pick out the preposition. And again, if you're not sure, I put some of the most commonly used prepositions right here. And we'll go over this together. And then down here, you're just going to write 3 sentences of your own using prepositions. And then we'll just go over that together and make sure everyone understands, and then we'll do another little activity, okay? So I'll go around and hand these out right now. And we'll do the first sentence together. So when you get this paper, turn to the second page and we'll do the first sentence together.